Disclaimer that this is all a joke, alright? Let's start with the video. You like barely. You love 350s. You are addicted to Bathwick and Somerset. You are addicted to Bathwick and Somerset with a passion. You hate AB trains. You like to prank Kieran's transport diaries. And you like class 325s. I do not know. You like making facts about SCR videos. You like making where next videos. You hate using screen recorders. You are a bacon hair.
Stop calling me a bacon hair!
You overuse your shot on iPhone meme. You hate Berrily. You like class 315s and you like Peps. You are literally simply aviation but the trains edition. You are too young for YouTube. Journeys of dreams, railway transport, music and gaming news. You like watching Paul Tarman's YTPs.